The following measurements required index correction. Index correction. எது wrong கொடுத்திருக்கு word? Measurement of resistance of the wire using meter bridge. Yes, meter bridge is used to measure the resistance of a wire. Measurement of a acceleration, gravitational acceleration using simple pendulum, right? It is used to measure G, acceleration due to gravity. Measurement of focal length of the lenses கிடையாது. Lens using optical lens. Optical lensல ஒரு டைம்ல lens உடைய focal length calculate பண்ணலாம். ஒரே டைம்ல many lenses cannot be determined. இதுதான் index correction. Measurement of speed of sound using resonance tube. Yes, speed of sound measure பண்ணுவோம். அப்போ index correction is third point.